Trackhouse Racing owner Justin Marks has already extended his contract with Aprilia and said he is pushing for Miguel Oliveira and Raul Fernandez to own factory MotoGP bikes in 2024. Proof of this solidity is the renewal of the contract with Aprilia as supplier of Oliveira and Fernandez's motorcycles. The deal was originally set to expire at the end of 2024. For Americans, Trackhouse has found in the Knoll brand the perfect partner to ride a moving train. For his company, this meant entering the championship with little time to react. The team's announcement presentation in Italy showed the level of cooperation the two sides plan, with Massimo Rivola, CEO of Aprilia's racing division, already playing a key role. "We have agreed a multi-year contract with Aprilia. From our point of view, it would be a mistake to have signed with them and then change a year later," Marks revealed. "We don't want to be a simple customer of Aprilia, but a partner to help it win the title," adds Marks, who, given the short time available, has generated a formula based on synergies between Aprilia and Trackhouse Racing, which has been installed within the Knoll factory facilities. "Our intention is to fight to win races. Within 3 to 5 years we want to become the best independent team in the paddock. We want to be an attractive place for the best riders and technicians. From there it will operate with the intention that it will improve communication and reduce reaction times. Our plan is to manage this team from Knoll. The bikes will be assembled and prepared there, at Aprilia, and that will help us. We are pushing Aprilia to be able to have 2 official bikes as early as 2024. That's something they didn't have in mind, but they are working as hard as they can to achieve it. We will probably have one at the first race, in Qatar, and after a few races the second one will arrive," says the businessman, who is currently deciding whether the first RSGP of 2024 will be awarded to Miguel Oliveira or Raul Fernandez. "The idea is to have both as soon as possible. In the next 2 weeks, we will decide which of our riders will have the official bike first, but the important thing is that both Miguel and Raul will have it in the first races. Everything will depend on the speed with which Aprilia can manufacture them."